if you're going to school, I would probably drop out now because you're going to fail terribly if you think you know
Well,
your
I
rights.
didn't yet.
Not right now.
Because I promise you I got a lot of lawyers.
Okay, that's fine. You're under arrest.
Yeah, let me get my
No,
stuff.
it's okay. You're under arrest. Put your hands on your back.
You record it. Record it.
On February 5th, 2025, a routine traffic stop quickly turned into a chaotic confrontation. A woman, parked illegally in the middle of the street, refused to comply with basic officer instructions. A mix of defiance, accusations, and an eventual arrest followed.
Can you stay in the car?
I can get out because you pulled me
Okay.
over to
You can
tell
stand.
me
You can stand
what?
over here then.
Okay.
That you're parked in the middle of the
you pulled
roadway.
me over to do what? Because
Do you want to
see me
stand
fixing
over
my
here?
light.
Do you want to stand over
And
here?
I got insurance and everything. So
Okay.
I'm going to need you to know that. And I'm glad because I got
Go.
a camera in my car too.
Okay. Well, you also can't park in the middle of the road. That's a traffic violation.
That middle of the road of me parking, I live here. And I was parking to...
That doesn't mean anything. I
Sir,
told you to pull to the side and you
I
looked
have
at
a
me
camera
and
in
you
my
didn't
car,
take it.
so I
Okay,
can
that's
show
fine.
you that,
That's
too.
fine. Where? So you have a license and insurance.
Yes,
So where's
I have
that
all
at?
of that.
You
This
can
is
go
my
grab
car.
that.
I own that.
Okay, you can go grab that then.
Okay. And I want to press charges too.
Press
I'm
charges
glad
on
you
what?
just did that.
Press charges
Yeah,
on what?
'cause that's what you just tried to do, love.
Do
Stop
what?
playing with me. Because you just saw me pulling over. When I
Well,
pulled
you were
over
parked in
over
the
there,
middle of the
when
roadway,
my car
which is a
was
violation.
just stopped, and I just had my
Okay.
thing to...
You were parked in the
my
middle of the
car-
roadway, which is a violation.
Sir, I got cameras in here.
Okay,
So
that's
that's
fine.
the-
So it should catch you
and I'm
parked in the
gonna
middle of the
press
road,
charges.
which is an IVC violation.
And mine's still on.
Okay.
It's still on.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
you were parked in the middle of the road.
It's still on.
I asked you
In
what
the
was
middle
going
of
on.
the
And you
road.
said,
It was
okay.
right there at
So
the
I do
stop
need your
sign.
license and your
Yeah,
insurance,
I can
please.
show you that.
I've been waiting. Yeah.
Can I get your badge number?
You will
and
get
all
that
of
after you give me the identification
Can
I
I
asked for
get that?
first.
If
I asked you
not,
for your
call
identification.
Call yourself. I know my
I
rights.
gave.
Officers approached the vehicle and asked the woman to remain inside. She stepped out and challenged the stop, claiming she lived nearby and had the right to park there. She continued to argue despite multiple reminders that parking in the middle of the street was a violation. She insisted she had insurance and a dash cam. The officers, calm but firm, asked for her license and registration. Her response? Demands for badge numbers, accusations of targeting, and claims of knowing her rights.
I know my
I will
rights.
give you my
Call
information
your sheriff.
once you. My shelf?
Your sheriff.
My sheriff? I
Sheriff.
don't work for the sheriff's office, ma'am. I work for the City of DeKalb
Okay,
Police
could you
Department.
call whoever
I
you...
need your license and insurance.
Call the person that's
He's
over
right here, actually.
Yeah. You're not, because it's a white shirt. Call
No,
your
that's
white
not
shirt.
how that works. We're not in Chicago.
Call your white shirts.
Ma'am, he's asking
If
for your
not,
driver's
I
license.
don't
You have
it.
to provide
I don't got it.
When
Call
you
your
need-
white shirts. Yes, record this.
Okay.
Record this. Because he
I'm
just sat
Officer
and watched my car go out and me starting my car back up. And then he stopped me at this stop sign to come up in here to go home.
We need you to
Record that, Cuddy.
You need to-
Record that.
You need to identify yourself or you're going to be arrested. That's your option.
Okay, arrest me then.
Okay, come here. You're under arrest.
Yeah, let me get my
No,
stuff.
it's okay. You're under arrest. Put your hands on your back.
You
Put your hands on
record
your
it.
back.
Record it.
You're under arrest. You need
Okay, that's done. I'm compliant. I'm a student. So
Okay.
it's fine.
That's fine. You obstructed a lawful order.
It's fine.
You told me to
It's
arrest
fine.
you,
It's
so that
fine.
means you're clearly
I didn't
not
tell you to do none of that, but
Okay.
I got my license and everything in this car. You recorded
It's got to be December
Thank
1095 one for
and send it
Yeah.
to my car.
Go ahead and come
Get
back with
my
you.
stuff out my car.
Ma'am, come with me, please.
Cause he saw me starting my car back up and everything.
Ma'am, would you like your phone?
My car died. My phone is
Ma'am.
in there and I tried
Yes,
to grab it.
would you like your phone?
Yes, please.
Okay, is there anything else in there that you'd like?
No, my phone and the thing that's at the top.
The battery pack?
Yes, and that's a recording pack too. Because I recorded everything.
Okay. That's
My
fine.
died, y'all.
Do you have
couldn't
anything
even-
illegal on your person? Anything
No, I
that's going to
don't.
stick
And
me
you
or
could
poke
check-
me?
No, you could check me.
Okay,
right?
can you just stand
And
up
I
against the
do
car for me,
have
please?
kids.
Okay, can you just stand up against the car for me, please? Thank you.
Ma'am,
Get my
ma'am,
stuff out
can you
my
just
car.
stay over here, please? Please. She was parked in the...
What y'all arresting her for?
For obstruction. She's failing to provide her information. When you're traveling on the roadway and you get stopped, you have to provide your license or your information.
Girl, record. Get my stuff out my car.
Can you turn around for me?
Because he saw me starting my
Thank
car
you.
back up, and then he started like, I guess following me. So now when he followed me, I guess he thought that my car not insurance. Everything is insurance in my car.
No,
everything.
you just haven't been listening about what's
Everything,
going
no,
on.
baby, everything is insurance
Okay.
up in there, and I recorded everything too. So,
Okay. Go ahead and just have a seat
girl,
back here.
he said I stopped at the stop sign, and
Okay. Go ahead and have a seat.
my car been stopping.
Go ahead and
That's
have a
why
seat
I
for
got
me.
the thing up in my car.
Go ahead and have a seat for me.
Come on now, you know that. Boo! Can I tell my cousin to go to my house
No,
and get my kids?
No, I will let her roll down the window. I need you to sit
Get
down.
my kids,
I
boo.
need you to
Go
sit
get
down.
my kids.
I need you to sit down.
Go get my kids.
I need you to sit down.
Yeah, you bogus just
Okay.
and I'm finna press charges on you. What's your name?
I will give you that information. It'll
Alright,
be on all
thank
the
you.
documents.
Thank you. Yeah, so whatever y'all try to put in there, I think that it might people will do too.
Okay.
So ain't nothing in there but a baby cot seat.
Yeah, we're not
Nothing in there.
putting
Baby
anything
cot
in there.
seat, Baby stroller, all of that. There's none up in there. That's fine. Y'all so funny. Y'all need to check the those bed. That's it. So when I'm getting locked up for
Her
again?
phone's up there. Got it. You're at least being arrested for obstructing a peace officer.
I instructed you, love.
Me. You didn't provide your name, and I asked you multiple
Oh, my
times.
God. You're very
Also, we're gonna talk more once we get to the police department.
Then I'm giving you my name for what? I live in this complex. This is a private complex. There's no way that you should be arresting me in. But
Okay.
that's fine. I'll take that court too.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you. Don't search me though.
What's that?
You searched me illegally. Yeah. Your body cam should have it.
Search
Your
what?
body cam should have it.
Yeah, search what?
Yeah, a female should have. But I
that's-
know all of that because I'm studying it.
Yeah, 'cause
But,
I know.
yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Fortunately,
I walk very legally. Okay?
male
Because
officers
you want-
are allowed.
Yeah,
to
whatever.
search female
We'll
officers.
see about that.
Go ahead and stand at the counter.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Once I take the handcuffs off, put your hands on top of the counter for me, please.
Sir, I can care less about the hands.
I'm telling you what to do.
Thank you.
So. Thanks.
Like this.
Yep. Once I said once the handcuffs come off. Well, thank you very much. Now, can you take your coat off for me?
Yes, I could.
Thank
And
you.
where's the female?
No, go ahead. I'm not going to search you
Where's
right now.
the female?
I'm not going to search. Can you pick your
Where's
coat
the
up for me,
female?
please?
Because if I'm getting
I'm not searching you
undressed-
right now. Can you pick your coat up for me right now?
If I'm getting undressed,
Nope, I just wanted you to take the coat off. So, real quick, while we're standing here, I'm going to read this to you since you are under arrest, okay?
that's fine.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say
didn't say that when I
can
put
and will
my
be used
thing
against
on.
you in a court of law.
You should have said that when you arrest me. Too bad, I don't hear you. Oh my God. Call your manager. It's not gonna happen, love. I know my rights, and y'all is not gonna play with me. Sorry. Y'all put them handcuffs on me. Then tell me my rights then, so I'm able to walk up out of here right now. Please don't play with me. Call your manager. Hello.
Are you ready to act
Help
like a grown-up?
me. Hello. Help. Help.
Okay, so you're going to be charged with DUI as well.
Baby,
So-
ain't no DUI because you won't see
Well,
me
you
drunk.
won't even
you
let me
didn't
talk
see
to
me
you.
drinking.
Based
That's
on your
false.
behaviors, you're
It's
gonna
false.
be- you're
Ain't no
leading
behavior.
me to believe that
you
you're
didn't bring
well,
me
under
my
suspicions
rights
of
when
DUI.
you put the handcuffs on.
I didn't ask you any incriminating
You
questions.
didn't bring me
So
my
I'm reading
rights.
your rights now.
No,
Are you
can't
willing
do
to
that. That's
listen to
not
them or
even
no?
possible, love. Stop. Get somebody up in here because I ain't trying to hear it. You didn't bring me my rights when you put my handcuffs on.
The situation escalated when she refused to provide identification. Officers warned her to comply or face arrest. She chose the latter. As she was handcuffed, she tried to grab her belongings, still recording everything on her phone. She continued to question the legality of the arrest, even claiming, "You didn't read me my rights."
My record? I'm going to school right now.
It doesn't show that on
I'm
your
going
record.
to school
You
right
clearly
now.
know
You're supposed
nothing.
to read
Can you
me.
listen
You're
to what I'm
supposed
trying to tell you?
dance me when you put my handcuffs on.
Ma'am.
You did it.
Ma'am.
You waited till I got here. Could I
Ma'am.
talk to
Ma'am.
the supervisor? Ma'am,
Listen
nothing.
for a second.
Ma'am,
Stop
nothing.
talking
I
and
know
listen
my
for a
rights.
second.
I know
Okay,
my rights.
if you're going to school, I would probably drop out now because you're going to fail terribly if you think you know
Well,
your
I
rights.
didn't yet.
You are
and
incredibly
I'm the
wrong.
top in that class.
Well, that's
So do you want to know what
extremely
class I'm
surprising.
going in?
No, I don't. So are you going to listen?
You
or are
supposed
you
to
going to
you supposed to Mirandize me?
Mirandize? You don't even know the word. There's no way you're top of the class.
It's, I know the word. I just can't pronounce it.
Right. There's
So
several
that's
words.
not nothing that
Several
you
words
should
that you
judge me with.
There's several words
But
you
you're supposed to
mispronounced,
did
okay?
that when you
So
put
what
the
we're gonna
handcuffs
do
on.
is
You
you
supposed
can
to do
either
that
you can
when
either
put the
cooperate with this
Can I talk to
process
your
or
supervisor? And you can
Well,
put
you
me
didn't
in
like
the
him
cell.
because he wasn't wearing a white shirt.
can
No,
put
you
me
can
in the
leave the
cell.
code on the counter. I didn't tell you where you could put that.
Okay, you can put me in the cell, and
No,
I can
I
talk
need
to
you-
your
I
supervisor
need you to listen
and
to
ask him Do you supposed to Mirandaize me?
Take your
before-
necklace off. Your
Huh?
necklace.
Jewelry.
Your necklace, not your shirt. Your necklace. If you're not gonna listen,
Oh, I'm listening.
you're not listening. You
I
haven't
am.
listened this entire
You're
time.
not finna read me my rights.
Put your
right
necklace
here.
on the counter.
I'm listening for sure.
Okay.
But you supposed to did your job out there.
I would like you,
before
ma'am.
you handcuff me.
Ma'am, I would like you to pay an attorney and tell them what happened
Oh, I'm
so that
gonna
they
pay
can
a
say
lot.
thank you for
I'm
the
gonna
free
pay a
money that
lot.
they're about to give you.
I'm gonna pay a lot. I promise.
I'm sure you will, and it's going to be for nothing.
Oh no, it's
Because
not.
you don't know what's
It's
going
not.
on right now.
And what's your name?
My last name is Flurry. It's going to be on the
Flurry?
documents. D10 is my badge number.
Okay.
It'll be on the documents.
Okay. Flory.
I'm sure you'll forget that
Flory?
because you're
Flory,
drunk
right?
now. Yep, go ahead and put the
Okay.
necklace on the counter. You'll probably forget that because you're
Oh
drunk
no.
right now.
I swear to God, I'm not.
Well,
I promise you, I'm not.
would you like to do some tests to show that
Yeah,
you're not?
I will.
Okay, can I read you this first?
No.
Okay, that's
You're not
fine.
gonna read me
Would you like to do?
nothing that you should've brought
We can
me
we can
outside.
do some tests then if you're okay
You
with
should've
that.
told me that.
We can do some tests then if you're okay with that.
No, I'm gonna wait till my lawyer comes.
Okay, that's fine.
Can I call somebody?
Not right now.
Because I promise you, I got a lot of lawyers,
Okay, that's fine.
and I'm finna do all of that.
Oh, that's yeah. I would recommend it.
Oh, really will.
Yeah, they need to get paid too. So
They will.
yeah.
You just worry about where you're going.
Okay.
Besides you, bruh, mandadizing me. Oh, you have,
Medandizing?
yeah, you have the right to this and that. When you did that, you should have did that when you put my handcuffs
Yeah.
on. That's how that goes too.
Yeah. So,
You went
I
to
don't know.
class
I don't know
for
if you're
it.
very familiar with
You went
case
to
law,
class for it.
but with Miranda, it's once you're in custody and I ask incriminating
No,
questions,
you
which
should
I
have
didn't
did
ask
that
you.
before.
Oh, okay.
You did that.
You're right.
'Cause you don't
because
even
you
know.
saw it on that one
So
Pops
what did you
episode,
arrest me
right.
for again?
For obstructing a peace officer. I gave you a lawful order to write your name
and why
you were
did you-
legally
why-
required.
what was the
because you're
reason?
on a traffic stop because you were stopped in the middle of the road.
At the station, she kept insisting she was studying law enforcement and knew the procedures. Officers explained that Miranda rights are read when interrogation begins, not at the moment of arrest. Still, she argued, requesting a supervisor and threatening to sue for false arrest and illegal search.
Okay.
Can you take the bandana out too, please? Thank you.
Fine.
Any other jewelry or anything?
No, nothing. Nothing.
If we had another officer come in to see if you're intoxicated, would you be willing to do some tests?
I mean, intoxicated.
Yeah, because I believe that you're under the influence of alcohol. Right
I
now.
don't know why you do.
Because
and
you,
if I
you smell of
was,
alcohol, your eyes are glassy, and
Oh, no,
you're
babe, I
stuttering your
smoke.
speech.
I
okay.
do smoke weed,
Okay, when did you? Okay.
and I did that when I was where I was just at. When
okay.
I pulled up to come back to my unit, which where I live, where you put me over at, because that's where I live at.
Sure.
Yeah,
Okay. Would you be willing to do tests?
no.
Okay.
At that
Hey
moment,
Valentina,
I
do you
just
want to
had
go in
to-
one of these cages,
Yeah.
or do you want to go in this cell where you can have like a bathroom and stuff? You might have to pee because you've been drinking, so I don't know.
I haven't been drinking.
Oh, okay.
You think we should do that over there?
But thank you for keeping.
Oh yeah, I guess we
saying
don't
it.
even need fields. So.
And if
Yeah, I have
was looking,
suspicions,
it definitely
but
was
obviously.
hours before this.
So-
I have been asleep.
So actually,
I have
we are
been
gonna come
up,
over here.
and I have been-
Valentina,
What's your name?
Detective Kleinmeyer.
Okay, that ought to be on my paperwork, right?
It'll be on
Yeah,
the.
I need yours on there too.
Okay. If you'll let me just stop interrupting for a second. All right. Well then don't worry about my name if you're just gonna interrupt. I think you would have a lot of the answers you're looking for if you just stop interrupting.
And what's right? I never did this before, so I don't know. Like,
Bye. So just all you gotta do. A lot of people like they sit their tongue in front of it, or they don't like have like a long consistent flow. Just long consistent flow into a thing until it clicks, and you'll be done.
people put their mouth on it.
Nope, it's brand new. I just took it out of the plastic.
Oh, okay.
You got this. There we go. Keep going. Don't suck. Just blow. Keep going. Put in your tummy.
No.
You know,
No.
you know how when you blow up a balloon? That's exactly what this is. Okay.
So did you see the bar that was
Yeah,
lit up
it
right
goes
there?
up.
You want that bar to get like right here. A typical person that's blown up the balloon can get it to like right here.
Okay.
And you're only getting it to like right there.
Okay.
So it's just a little tiny breath that's getting into that tube.
Keep going. Don't stop. There you go. Don't stop.
After being processed, officers suspected she might be under the influence. Her speech was slurred, and her behavior was erratic. She denied drinking, admitted to recently smoking marijuana, and agreed to take a breathalyzer test. But the machine couldn't register enough breath to complete the test 6 times.
willing to try again to show?
I would try.
Because
I just said I would try
so the
it
machine
first
shows
time.
it was an insufficient sample. So it just means you weren't providing enough oxygen. Okay. So would you like to
What?
try again? We could set the machine up again if you'd like. I'm just gonna do
No,
the
that's
fast.
crazy. And I just did this all this time. I was willing to do it.
Sure,
so
but
I
it was
just saying I
insufficient.
denied it.
Because it was an insufficient, which means not enough amount of breath. So that's just what that means. So are you willing to try again or no?
Yeah, I would try it again.
Okay. We can set it up again. It just takes a minute to set it up. We can try again. So if you look at me
This
real
is
quick, just listen to me. So deep breath and then continue to blow until the machine will click, and then you're good to go. But if you don't do it strong enough, or if you don't do it long enough, the machine's going to say that you're not trying, even though you might think you're trying. But you just got to do it the way the machine wants you to do it.
Despite repeated encouragement, she couldn't or wouldn't complete the test. Officers finally marked it as a refusal. At this point, her charges were stacking up: obstruction of a peace officer, DUI refusal, and multiple traffic violations.
I mean,
Don't stop until I tell you to. Alright, go ahead. Keep going there. Okay. You started strong, but then you're sucking in. You were right there. Don't suck in. Don't use your tongue. Don't suck in. Keep blowing. There you go. Keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing. Okay.
it's going to be a refusal.
No, I didn't take it.
Just sign this copy, and I'll meet you with the others, and then we'll sign this one too and give them one. Just to show that we give it to.
Like 12 times. I'll do it again.
No, so it doesn't take people that many times. I've done this plenty of times with people where, more 3 is plenty. 6 is definitely plenty. So if you can't get it by
How many
6,
I did?
you did 6. So
I can do it again.
no, that's okay. It's just gonna have to be a refusal at this point. 6 is too many. I don't typically give people a second opportunity because they usually get it on the first 3 tries, and you weren't able to do that. So it is going to be a refusal. Okay. So in the meantime, I have to finish up some paperwork with all my name and information on it, so that you have that. So that when you talk to your attorney, you can give them all my information.
My lawyer?
Oh yeah, yep. Attorney, lawyer, they're synonymous. They mean the same thing. Synonymous means the same. So I will make sure all my information is on that. In the meantime, I'm going to have you come over and sit in the cell while we get the paperwork done, okay?
The woman was placed in a holding cell while officers completed the paperwork. She continued to speak over them, insisting on her rights, knowledge of the law, and planned to hire a lawyer. Whether that lawyer will find any footing remains to be seen. What do you think? Did the officers handle it right, or did this situation spiral out of control unnecessarily? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real police encounters.